Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you how can you share internet from iPhone to Windows PC by USB, hotspot or Bluetooth. Now to do it you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So in this case, I'm using a hotspot. So you want to turn on the personal hotspot feature on your iPhone. Now to do this, you need to tap on the settings from the home screen and go to personal hotspot and toggle the button. After which you need to connect or tether your iPhone to your PC using Bluetooth. Now if you're using an external Bluetooth USB adapter, make sure you install it following the instructions you got with the device as well. Now you may need to restart your PC before being able to use it. So now then, on your PC, go to Bluetooth settings either from the lower right corner of the taskbar or by searching the Bluetooth on the search box. And now slide the Bluetooth toggle on. This will make your computer visible to other devices as well. Now then, what you have to do is connect your PC to the internet using Bluetooth tether iPhone. Now go to network connections, or you want to go to the Windows key, choose network connection, and on the right side click on change adapter options. Done it, so look for the Bluetooth connection network. So if it is connected, you're good to go. If it is not, double click to view Bluetooth devices. If your iPhone does not automatically show up, click on the add device and add it, and then click on connect using Bluetooth above and choose access point window. Will set up the connection and the network X, and you will be able to enjoy internet connectivity. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.